A luxury jewelry store giving away everything for free? Sounds like the deal of a lifetime, but thousands of buyers say there's a catch you need to know before placing an order. Harrison and James advertises a massive closing down sale, claiming customers only need to pay shipping for their jewelry. The website showcases elegant designs and a story about a family-run business. But when you look beyond the website, the picture changes. Trustpilot currently shows a very low customer rating, with many buyers claiming the jewelry they received looked nothing like the advertisements. Common complaints include poor quality materials, expensive shipping charges, delayed deliveries, and difficulty getting refunds. The Better Business Bureau's Scam Tracker has also published a report describing allegations that the site uses a misleading free jewelry pay shipping promotion, with customers reporting products that didn't match the advertising. So is Harrison and James a scam? There isn't a court ruling officially declaring it one. However, the large number of negative customer reviews and scam reports are serious warning signs. Before you buy, always check independent reviews, not just what's shown on the seller's website. A few minutes of research could save you a lot of money.